There are different kind of boards in our country, but CBSE and NIOS are the best for special needs children. There are different kind of facilities which a CBSE board gives. First is the child is not liable to learn third language, which is omission of third language, whether it is Sanskrit, French or German or any other. Second is giving extra time during the exams. Third is substitution of subjects like maths and science with other subjects. Another facility is the provision of prompter or writer. Scribe is the one who writes the answer paper for the child. So if a child needs a writer or if a child needs a prompter who can read the question paper for the student, it can be done according to the CBSE rules. Now, if a child who is not able to give board exams, कितनी भी कोशिशों के बावजूद अगर CBSE के पैटर्न के अंदर बच्चे को मुश्किल आ रही है, then there is a provision for NIOS. NIOS again is not actually meant for special need kids, but it has got different kind of facilities because of which a child is able to give boards through NIOS. Like it has got a variety of subjects to choose from. So if the child is not interested in studying maths or science or social science, then he can opt for subjects like home science, painting and music, which are mostly प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड. सो प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट्स में फ़ायदा ये होता है कि अगर प्रैक्टिकल में अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाते हैं तो थ्योरी में अगर कम भी आते हैं तो बच्चा पास हो जाता है. देन NIOS की एक फैसिलिटी ये होती है कि अगर आपने एक बार रजिस्ट्रेशन करा लिया, देन दैट रजिस्ट्रेशन इज़ वैलिड फॉर अनदर 5 years. सो 8th के बाद हम सिंपली 10th का रजिस्ट्रेशन कराते हैं एंड 9th 10th 2 साल बच्चे को मिल जाता है टू कंप्लीट 10th. So in 1 year the child can appear for 3 subjects and another year the child can appear for 2 subjects. तो इस तरीके से बच्चे के ऊपर प्रेशर नहीं आता है. एंड सिमिलरली गोज़ फॉर स्टैंडर्ड 12th. सो एक बार बच्चे ने 10th कर लिया, देन द रजिस्ट्रेशन कैन बी डन फॉर 12th एंड 11th 12th 2 साल मिल जाते हैं टू कंप्लीट द 5 subjects which is being taught in 12th. So NIOS is also a very good option for a special need child. NIOS के अंदर एक फ़ायदा ये भी होता है कि suppose the child is has not cleared one paper, then he can appear for the same exam in another 6 months, or there are exam on demands. So whenever the child feels that okay, my preparation is now okay and I can appear for the exam, so exam on demand is that only. You have to just fill up a registration form and you can appear for that exam. So CBSE and NIOS are the 2 very best options for a special need child or an autistic child to complete his 10th and 12th. Thank you.